Namaskar. Good governance happens when citizens ask questions. Friends, today I have one question. Does the Constitution allow moral policing? The growing culture of moral policing in Karnataka goes against the Constitution freedom. I was sad to see the Chief Minister justifying moral policing when it is his job to uphold Constitution values. There is a Constitution morality which is above the moral policing. Moral policing is what terrorists do. These days, BJP leaders say strange things. They don't reflect Constitution morality. They want to decide whether women should have children or not, whether women should work or not. They defend violent incidents on young people. When fundamental rights are violated, we have enough sections in the IPC to put these goons in jail. This is what is expected of any government in this country. I want to remind Chief Minister that it is his bound duty to uphold the Constitution. He must stop defending the hate crimes and do his job. India has won its freedom after a lot of hardship and struggle. If we do not guard our freedom, we will again suffer like what we did under the British rule. Friends, what do you think? Is there any space for moral policing in our Constitution? I don't think so. I request all my young friends to send me their comments on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I want to read all of them and learn from them. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Congress.